Hello fellow unicorns, welcome to another video, and today we're doing another unboxing of Kawaii box as well as a giveaway, but for that wait till the end of the video. And we have something to look forward to because Kawaii box has decided to do a little bit of rebranding and include a lot of different types of practical stuff. So let's see what's inside. First of all, we have this very cute headband that's used to hold up your hair when you're like doing makeup or your daily routine. It's super cute because it has these little cat ears, and it's made out of extremely soft plushy fabric, and I can't wait to use this while doing my evening routines or makeup. Next up, we have these cute little stickers you can use on anything from home decoration, or you're just using as stickers for anything like in your notebooks or something like that. Next up, we have this super cute bunny coaster. You can put your glasses on without leaving glass rings on the table. And also guys, if you like to make bento boxes and just creating like sushi in different shapes, here is a baby panda shaping mold set, because this stuff is used in Japan all the time. I really love making bento boxes and creating rice cookies and rice stuff, but in the end of the day, this really makes you work a lot and create something with a lot of detail, and then you need to eat it, and it's sometimes really sad for me to use it in that way. Next up, we have a kawaii sushi keychain, and I think it's a squishy, so let's check this out. Oh my gosh, look at it, like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I get hysterical from all of these squishies. I seriously can't handle squishies, like they're so adorable. Look at this shiny texture. It looks so realistic. Like, how do you not eat this? It's so adorable and yet so squishy. Oh my god, it's so gentle. The texture is just okay. Next up, we have something that will probably become my next favorite thing, and that is Moomins notebook. And it's so adorable. I mean, look at this. I hope you guys know what Moomin are. It's a cartoon series. I think it's a collaboration between Japanese and European animation house, and it's adorable. Check it out if you haven't seen Moomins. And this is just the cutest little notebook I'm definitely gonna use. Let's check out some of the candy in this box as well. This is some sort of a grape flavored jelly character mold, and I really love the jelly stuff from Japan, especially if it's grape flavored. This is so adorable. This is such a weird packaging though, so you need to like literally open up from the side like this. From the back actually. And the smell is amazing though. Come on, come on. I always have to get the biggest one because I want to see the details. Ah, it's all sticky. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh no, you're ripping. No. Oh, you're ripping. Oh my god, this is so... Oh! I hate this. Ah, my fingers are sticking. Okay. So yeah, apparently this is a little bit tricky to get, so let me just try it. Typical grape flavor. Love it. Next, I will be using this in my travel bag from now on. It's so darn adorable, and it has this double protection keychain system. So I hope it won't like be ripped off during the... Maybe I'll just use it for my normal stuff. I really don't want to lose this. It's so adorable. Look at the hamster. Oh my gosh. And it's cute and it's squishy. Next up, we have this super kawaii drinking straw pen. Like literally, it's a drinking straw in a shape. But then it has this, I don't know what the function of this is. Like a donut. And then when we open it up, it's yeah, it's a black, no? Yes, it's a black ball pen. Ooh, it's very moist. I like it. Awesome. I love Japanese ball pens because they are the best. And last but certainly not the least is something that I really wanted to try. It's super cute and it's super squishy, but you can actually eat it, so it's, oh my gosh, can't wait to try these. These are Hello Kitty marshmallow, like strawberry flavored marshmallows. So, and apparently they have something in the middle to like fill them in, so we'll see how that looks. Oh my god, yes, the texture is so like, what? And in the middle, we have a strawberry flavored filling. Oh my god, this is so good. So you guys, don't forget to order your own kawaii box if you like them. They have been doing really well. This, I think, has been maybe the most useful and delicious kawaii box so far. So I warmly recommend you guys to try them out, but if you're not able to, don't worry, because I'm doing a kawaii box giveaway yet again, and you can find the little link down below for the raffle copter link or whatever. Just click on it, fill it in, and wait for me to tell you if you guys won the prize. I always notify the winners via email directly, so every time up to this point every winner has received their prize, and I'm so happy to work with Kawaii Box because they do their giveaways very fairly, randomly chosen, and just every time the winners get such a nice surprise. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you would like to learn how to draw manga, please check out my book Manga Crash Course, available in 4 different languages, as well as my latest book Manga Crash Course Fantasy.